It's been so long that I want to start content creation. It has been the longest period of time that I'm thinking that I want to get into content creation. Here are the few questions that a lot of people ask me, be it existing creators, be it new creators, somebody who has already been creating content for the longest period of time and not getting enough results out of it. Questions are like, there is too much of competition out there already. Second, how can I be the best creator in my own niche? Third is, how do I get better brand deals? And fourth is, how do I monetize? Hi, this is Sakshi, and I am building team of creators, influencers, social media managers, video editors to work with the best of the brands pan India and around the world. So, if you are already creating content and if you want to get into content creation, these are the few questions that a lot of people ask me. Starting with, there is too much of competition. Which industry you think there is no competition? No matter what industry, what niche you select, there is always gonna be some competition or big competition. The competition doesn't matter as long as you are giving your best in every video that you create. You have to create space for yourself. You do not become better, you just take a particular share of the market that audience likes from your content. You need to be genuine, you need to be organic, and you need to be finding the like-minded people like you are. So if you're sharing something, if you're building a community, if you're building a product, you need to understand how you can take share of your own market, the people that are like you and that will like the way you speak. So it's always about taking more share from the market, and it's not about considering how much is the competition. Competition is always going to be there. We have it in every industry that we work with. The second option I would give, if you really want to dominate any industry that you are currently working in, make sure you're working in volume. You're creating so much of content that nobody else in the industry. If you have a good business, if you have a big business, then make sure that you are creating as much content as you can. Check out the best brands that are working on internet at the moment and just check out what is the number of posts they are posting, what are the number of videos they are actually creating, what are the collaborations they are doing. A lot of people who want to dominate whatever market they get into, they will make sure that they are creating more content, they are creating it in volume. Now coming to the second question, how can I be the best? You are never the best, you become best. So if you have just started out, you cannot expect yourself, just start creating. No matter how bad it is, how good it is, you just have to start, you just have to practice, you just have to explain whatever your experiences, whatever your thoughts are. That is what you need to do on social media. It's not about being best. A lot of people I work with think that I need to be better, I just need to learn more about this topic, I just need to take more knowledge, I just need to study more. No, it's okay. You do not have to study more to build content. You just have to share your own experiences. You just have to share what you have experienced through these many days, whatever industry you're working in, whatever industry you are studying in. That is what you need to understand. If you just want to get into content creation, share whatever you have now, and then you can work on studying more, gaining more knowledge into your industry. It's a process, it's never a destination, it's not a final thought, it's always a process that you have to get into. Now, third very important topic, a lot of people ask me, how do I get brand deals? Once you start content creation, brand deals are meant to come to your page. One of the most important asked question by a lot of creators in my community, by the people that I work with, brand deals are the part of your content creation journey. It's not everything, okay? You cannot rely on brand deals. You just have to create the right content, target the right audience, make sure you're converting your audience for your content, and make sure you're building something, building an offer, building a product, building a service, or maybe just building a community. And eventually, once you start building the audience that is meant for you, that listens to you, that converts for you, that relies on whatever decision, whatever content that you put. Okay, so if I'm watching your content, I would want you to be talking about something that, and I would want you to be talking about that something every day. Okay, for me to trust you for any decision, for any product, any service that you will sell to me. So if you want to get brand deals, make sure that you are building an audience that trusts on you, that relies on you, on your suggestions, on your offers, on your product, or something that you're guiding them for. That is how you build trust and reliability in your own audience. Moving to the fourth point, how do I monetize? How do you monetize? How do you monetize the content? This is again a very important topic. These are the steps of the content creation. When you start content creation, when you create volume of content, when you actually figure out your niche, you get the brand deals, but now you actually want to monetize. Monetization is basically making sure that you are making money out of your content. One of the very important thing on social media, because content creation is gonna get you the best of the opportunities around the world that you have for your own niche, your own industry. So monetization is gonna depend on how do you convert your audience, how do you convert your audience to your websites, to your channels, to your WhatsApp groups. That's what you need to understand. And monetization is a way bigger topic than we can actually explain it in a video. I think I'll just make another video where I talk only and only about the ways we can actually monetize. Let me know in the comments if you really want to understand the different ways that you can actually monetize your content. Monetizing is basically making money out of your existing content. And once you understand how do you convert your audience into your attention, into your currency, into your leads, that's when your monetization happens for any of the social media platforms that you're working in. You are not just creating content, you're also making sure that your audience is converting to some point or to some place, and that is what monetization is all about. So if you want to know more details about it, you can always join us on our conferences. The registration links in the bio, in the about information. Maybe hit the subscribe button to know more information on content creation and content creation industry. We are going to be making this really huge for all the creators out there creating content, and we will make sure that we are working across the globe. So stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.